Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of AI Basics. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign into your Attract AI's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Attract AI's account, firstly go ahead and open up your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in attract.ai and make a search. The official page of Attract AI will appear on the screen. Tap on Login option. On the next page, to log into your Attract AI's account, enter your email address and password associated with your Attract AI's account and tap on Sign In. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. In case if you don't remember your password, click on I forgot my password link. This is how you can log into your Attract AI's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.